Hi, thanks for choosing us. Okay, this is the vehicle inspecting. So it's been inspected, just the road test left. The paint fork is good. There haven't been any resprays as such. Interior is in a good condition. There's fair wear and tear on that driver's side seat on the edge. As you can see, it looks quite clean. That seat belt there needs to be twisted around so it's in the right position. So yeah, the dashboard looks clean. Everything is nice and clean. There's no sort of weird scratches on it. You will see a few little this one you can clean it off, but there are a few little minor chips on a paint mounted. I would just take some pictures on it. The alloy wheels are in a good condition. Tires are about 4mm left. The alloys are, on this side, alloys in a good condition. There's a chip here. There's small little things I noticed, but not too many. This alloy wheel is good as well. In general, it's a lovely motor. It looks nice. Checked underneath the vehicle. Everything is good. The pads, they are about 60% left, both front and rear. So the front ones are there about 80-70% left. The front discs are slightly rusted, slightly worn, but it's acceptable condition. Seal slight scuff from the seal, scratch, I would say, wear and tear. Yeah, generally it's nothing much you can say. Suspension is fine. Gonna go for the road test and write my rest of the summary for you. So yeah, thanks for choosing us.